Okay, today we'll study about the K map. Basically, what is the full form from K? K is the Carnot. Okay, Carnot is a scientist name, and on the basis of his name, he gave the graphical representation to solve the Boolean algebra. So K map is further divided into three categories. One of the category is two variable K map. Another will have three variable K map, and another will have four variable K map. Alright, so in the two variable K map we'll have A, B, okay, and in the three variable K map we'll have 1, 2, 3 variable. Two variable means it is A and B, three variable means it is A, B and C, and four variable means, tell me, A, B, C, D. So for the two variable, that is 2 raised by 2, that is equal to 4. Means we need to make a 4 boxes like this. We'll have three variable means 2 raised by 3, means we need to make 8 boxes like this. Sorry, 8 boxes are there, one more box like this. Okay. Next one is 4 variable. 4 variable means 2 raised by 4, that is 16. So we need to make a 4 variable box, means 16 boxes like this. 4 rows will add in the column and 4 rows will add in the rows. Understood? So in this will have 16 boxes. Now the next step is it's A and B, right? In this you know that if A is 1, either A can be 0 or either A can be 1. Similarly, if we'll have B, then we have B either 0 or 1, right? So we'll write it down like this: 0, 1, 0, 1. Got it? Now in this we'll have three variable K map A, B, C. So BC is in the side. Like for BC, we'll have 4 possible combinations, right? Like both can be 0, one can be 0, 1, one can be 1, 1, one can be 1, 0, right? So we'll write it down in the same sequence. We won't be able to change the sequence. Just remember the sequence 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. And for the A, we'll have sequence 0, 1. Okay. Next we'll have 4 variable K map. We can write down AB here and CD here. Wherever we'll have 2 possible combination, then we'll write down 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Sorry, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay. Tell me, any doubt up to here? Got it? Now next we need to add the numbers in the boxes. Like we'll write down 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then in this also we'll write down 0, 1, leave the third row, then add 2, back to the third row 3. Then 4, 5, leave the third row 6 and 7. Okay. Similarly in this also 0, 1, leave the third row 2, 3. Then 4, 5, leave the third row 6, 7. Now complete leave this third column. Then it would be 8, 9, third row 10, 11. Then 12, 13, then third row leave it 14, 15. Okay. So it is having 15 boxes, 16 boxes. So it varies from 0 to 15. Understood this sequence? First of all, note it down. Now next we need to study about the number. Like if I want to add number in this box, what it would be? Always remember, if A is equal to 1, then it will be represented by A only. If A is equal to 0, then it will be represented by A bar. Okay. So basically 0 represents by bar, 1 represents by the same number. So back to the question. Like suppose in this we'll have, in this particular box, this one will have a as a 0, so a would be how much? Bar, right? And we'll have b as a 0 and c as a 0, so it will also b bar, c bar, correct? Now similarly I'm telling you for the next case, a will be remain 0 only, so a will be bar, and b is how much? Like it is b bar and c, correct? So it would be b bar and c. Basically all these numbers represented by bar, so it would be b bar, c bar, it is bc because it is 1 1, it would be bc bar. So this number would be a bar, bc and a bar. Understood? Now tell me for the another row all the terms. In this, as you can see, a is 1, so a would be a only, correct? And from the above one if you'll see, then that would be b bar, c bar. Now tell me the next one. Next we need to learn about the pairing in the K-map. So pairing is very important, because if you know about the pairing, then you will not mistake in K-map. So like I'm taking for the 3 variable K-map. So pairing is just like if two of your friends, like this is you and this is your friend. Suppose you are entering in a classroom and you both are new to each other. So you sit here, okay, and your any another student sit besides you. So you will become friends, okay, because you don't know any another one. And if he sits beside you, then you will become friend, and then that will become a pair, right? So suppose I'm telling you the all possible cases where pairing is possible. Like this one, they both sits beside, so it will become a pair. Okay. So basically pairing we can do it as a horizontal pair, or we can do it as a vertical pair. Got it? Or we can do pair like one in the this corner and one in this corner, then also it will become a pair. For example, if two ones are here and if two ones are here, then they will become a pair of four ones, right? One more thing which you need to remember for pairing, that suppose your teacher asks you to make a project, okay, and she said it's better to make a pair of large number of people. Like instead of making the pair of only two ones, you will always prefer to make a pair of four ones, right? Because project is same. If you are working two people on that project, then you then work is more, right? Work distributed is more. But if you four people working on the same project, then the work distribution is like work load is less, right? So instead of making small pair, you need to prefer to make a long pair, large pair. So you can make a pair of raised per 1, two ones, okay, or you can make a pair of 2 raised per 2, that is 4, means you can make a pair of 4 ones, or you can make a pair of 2 raised per 3, 8, means 8 ones, right? And 2 raised per 4, that is 60. Now one more thing, you won't be able to make a pair of like, so if there are 3, suppose there are 3 ones, they are sitting besides like this 1 1 1. Instead of making, you can't make a pair of 3 ones now, but you can make a pair of 2 ones. So these two will become friends, okay. Now you can see that this one is left alone, one is left alone, comma, okay. So in that case overlapping can be possible. Understood? So basically now tell me, if you'll have a one over here then one over here, can you make a pair of these? And I told you then that one left one is in this corner and one is in this corner. If they are at the same row, then you can make it. If suppose this one is at this, so as you can see that both the rows are different, right? Then in that case we won't be able, in that case pairing won't be done, right? Now similarly we'll do it for the next, that is a 4 variable, because in your paper you will get the 4 variable map only, not the thing, 3, most probably. Like it's AB, it's what, 00011110, right? Similarly 00011110. So what we can write it down for this, C bar, bar, C bar. Similarly we'll have A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B and bar. Understood? So this is the case for the 4 variable. Now I am telling you the maximum possible, like 1, 1. Now tell me, these two will become a pair or not? These two will become a pair because it is in the same column, right? Now suppose if we'll have 4 ones. Now what you'll do? Making a pair of 2 ones or make a pair of single one, 4 ones? Hmm, 4 ones. As I told you, we need to prefer the longest pair, right? Similarly, or we can have, like suppose we'll have 1, 1, 1, 1. So now tell me, this will become a pair, right? Okay, understood? Now I am giving you number of ones you need to make a pair according to, do it. Then tell me, in this you can make a pair of this 4 1, right? Or we can make a pair of this 4 1, right? And we can make a pair of this. As I told you, we need to prefer a longer pair, right? Okay, now I'm giving another one. Have to do it this one now. Now next we need to learn about the naming. Naming कैसे? So for that you should know first the pairing, the name. For the naming, I'll start with the table. Like suppose this one, here they have given 1 1 and above, as you already know, 0 1 1 1 1 0. Here it is A 0 1, so it would be bar C bar, bar C and bar, right? To see how we can do the pairing, just we'll have one trick. One of the direct method is like we'll have one over here become a pair. So one, that means it is, right, this block means it is A bar B. Why A bar? Because one is A bar and above one is B, right? Similarly, if I'll write it down for the next pair, that will be how much? If we'll see from the left side, it will be A bar and then it will be bar, right? So the final output is what will have A bar B plus A bar B, correct? So we can take A bar B as a common, that will include plus C. And if you remember the Boolean law, C plus C bar is equal to 1, right? So ultimately it will become bar. Correct? So this is our final answer, but we can do by a tricky method. See first, as you can see that from both the terms B is common, right? So write down B. C is cancelled with C bar. Like if we'll have A and A bar, then it would be cancelled out. If we'll have B, the B bar will have cancelled. So here with the C bar cancelled out, we don't write down. And then from here you can see that A bar is common to the both the terms. So it would be A bar. So whatever will be the common to both the terms which will make a single pair, that will be your answer. Okay, note it down, then I'll tell you the next. The final answer is dash, right? Now suppose of this have uh, one over here and another one is, rest of the terms are 0. Now as you know, it's a pair. Now tell me, now you understood? Now do the naming of this one. As you can see in this, we'll have 3, right? So we'll have 3 names. Tell me for the yellow one, blue one, and the green. In this, all the corners are, so it will also make a single. So tell me the name. Yes, dash. Now see how will we will give this. Y is equal to m1 5 9 13, and they'll say to you that you have to realize it by using K map. Okay, so see how can you do it. As you already know the number, it's going up to 13, so which variable you will use? 4 variable K map. So draw the 4 variable K map. Okay, this is your 4 variable K map, and in this whatever they have given you the number 1 3 5 7, you need to put 1 over that. Like suppose it is 0 1 2, right? Then 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So they have given you 1 3 5 9. So put it 1 3 5 9. Okay, then they gave you 11 and 13, 13 and 11. So rest of the terms you will need to mark it as a 0. Whatever number they have given it to you, that will be marked as 1. Other numbers are 0. Now one more thing, you will say, ma'am, why we have to do it like this? They have given sigma m, and sigma m is represented by SOAP form. So SOAP form means, what do you mean by the SOAP form? That is sum of products. Okay, that is sum of products. Sum of products means keep first you need to do product, then add it. Like suppose we'll have A B, so it will be A B bar C. We are producting means multiplying. Then add it A B bar plus A bar C bar, whatever we'll get it. Okay. If they'll give it to you pi m is the post form. So instead of writing 1 on the given number in the post form, we need to write down 0 on the given number, and vice versa basically. So still we are doing the SOAP form. So I'll tell you later on in detail about the post form. Okay. Now you have marked the number 1.